G'day YouTube and welcome to this episode of the Gunman Raw. So I haven't done one for a while, so I thought why not just throw the camera on and yeah, get some Clearcoat Stage on its Hyundai Elantra. So yeah, this job here is going to go tomorrow. Today's Thursday afternoon. Yeah, I'll be going home myself as soon as I've done this pretty much. 20 minutes until 4 and I'm out the door at 4. So yeah, pretty straightforward job this one. A blend on this door, that's all that door is, just a blend. There was a repair on that fender there. There's a brand new bumper and there is a brand new bonnet, which yeah, I obviously slammed some wet on wet down on those two new panels. Yeah, then a couple of coats of base coat, or 3 coats of base coat, more like it, and yeah, all is looking well. So I put the non-standing primer down with my ANI R150, nice and smooth. I really love that R150 for laying the wet on wet down, because you're not fighting with the orange peel, because it gets so flat, you're not fighting the orange peel when you're going to put your base coat and clear coat on. And then the base coat I put down with the GB1, GB1 HPLP Plus 1.2 is the setup. That's done what? Start at the bonnet and then come back and finish at the bonnet. It's actually a good way of doing it. That way you just get that bonnet, that little bit extra flash off time, in between coats that is. Now the inside of this bonnet actually stays satin finish, so what I did with the base coat is just put a little bit of hardener, HS hardener in with the base coat, so it's activated base coat, and yeah, that just gives it a bit more durability, but also gives the right gloss level. Back in the day I used to, that kind of thing I would have probably mixed up some flat clear, but I just got to the point, so you know what, they don't do that from factories. They just put base coat, activated base coat on the inside of panels from factories, so why should I do better than factories? So yeah, all good. But yeah, I tell you what, I still love that DV1 base coat gun. That is one hell of a base coat gun, man. And you see the way that it blended this colour out, and you see the way that it got the metallic down on that bonnet over there. Lays it down really nicely. And I believe it's going to be next week that we're getting our waterborne system in, which is Stando Blue. So this job here is going to be one of my last jobs ever with Stand-Up Dolphin. Coming to an end. But it's all good. It is a little bit dated, the old solvent. I mean, there's still nothing wrong with it, but just the way the world's moving, mate. Everyone wants to go, want to, you know, look after the environment and all that kind of stuff. I guess it's just in the right direction, you know. So yeah, still loving this gun though, guys. I tell you what, the Gunman Edition Pro Light, yeah boy, PE 20 1.3. Full sound, full fluid, 2-bar pressure. Or maybe even a touch below 2 bar. No, yeah, a very small amount below 2 bar. So you say 28, 29 PSI if you're from the Imperials, the land of Imperials. But yeah, don't underestimate the power of a good tack rag there, gunners. I guess that's my message for today. Tack rag on if you want a nice clean job. But in saying that, when I've fully coloured a panel in like this one here, there's no blend. I'll tack rag it prior to base coat, but I won't actually tack rag it after base coat, if that makes sense. on these panels here, you probably noticed I gave them a good tack rag down before I did put any clear coat on. So yeah, blend panels, tack rag, base, non-blend panels, don't worry about it. Well, that's what I do these days anyway, and it seems to work for me, so, you know, I'm not here to tell you what you have to do, but, you know, if you do something, if you try something that I do and it works for you, that's great. If it doesn't, whatever, that's fine. That's the way I've always been in this industry, in life in general. Look at what other people do, try it. If you like it, if it works for you, go for it. If it doesn't, do it your way, or do it how you are already doing it, you know? That's what life's about, isn't it? Trying to improve, being the best you can be. When you think you know it all, you may as well just give up, mate, because you're not learning anymore. Yes, Gunny approved. There's like 2 or 3 big ones in there, man, but that's not bad at all. That's not going to take too long to polish there tomorrow, Gunners. Woohoo! Gunny loves it. Gunny's happy. The subscribers are happy. Yeah, forget about the CB1 Clearcoat gun, man. I barely had to use it. I got my pro light, baby. Who needs CB1 Clear? I really wanted to get this crane today so that the boys could fit it up first thing in the morning tomorrow, so yeah, definitely handy, you know, just got to go tomorrow this job here. So I came in a little bit early. I came in at like 7:30 today, and because I knew that later on in the day, sorry, I was just concentrating that, because I knew that I had a full cut and polish. I had a Mazda 3 which I sprayed, it was not yesterday but the day before, but either way, that job was a full cut and polish, so I came in the morning and prepped this job up, got it all ready to go, then I went out the back and I did the polishing, full cut polish on that Mazda 3, and then came back here, marked this and squirted it, and that's just about the day done there, Gunners. I'm going to go clean this down here, and that will be me for the day. So, fitted, fitted everything in, nice and perfectly. Whoop, nice little squeeze through there, you don't want to go and hit the panel that is just freshly painted. So yeah, let's have a quick look over that job. I'm very, very happy with it. Yeah, honestly, it's one of those ones that came out a little better than I expected. The blends came up nice, the colour looks good, there's no mottle through the bonnet, which is always good. Now, one thing I do have to do before we call it quits is do those blends before I forget. Notice a bit of AK350 fade out thinner. You can swap this for thinners, just standard base coat or 2K thinners. Pretty much anything works now, but this is better, obviously. It's a purposely designed product, obviously going to be better than just something that you pick up, you know, just any old thinners, and that will polish up, bang, first thing in the morning. But yeah, like the bonnet chipped the edge there, and obviously insurance companies not going to pay for, you know, the full quarter panels to be sprayed, so that's why we've got to do those blends sometimes. But yeah, man, I'm wrapped with that. That job's really nice and clean. It's got that nice factory finish in it. As I say, sometimes they just come up better than sort of what you've got pictured in your mind, you know. Every time I sort of start a job, I've got like a bit of a mental picture. Yeah, I think it's going to come up. And I think this one came up maybe a little bit better than what I expected. Yeah, a bit cleaner than what I thought. Anyway, gunners, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Until next time, get out there and put some shit. Gunman out. Woo!